Please rain, please rain. Oh, look, there's a dark main cloud. Oh, it went away. That cloud sure wasn't any help.
Sweetie, why do you want it to rain?
I was hoping it would rain so I wouldn't have to mow Mrs. Smithwick's yard today. Oh well, I'm not going to anyways.
Mrs. Smithwick is expecting you at 2 o'clock, isn't she?
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. The grass will still be there tomorrow. Besides, this is one of my favorite shows. Oh, yeah.
That cloud seemed to promise a lot, but it didn't come through. And I think there's another waterless cloud right here in this room.
In this house?
Sometimes people can be like that cloud. They talk a lot and make promises, but when it's time to fulfill the promises, they just never get around to it.
I guess you mean me. And if I don't do what I promised, I guess Mrs. Smithwick won't think any more of me than I do of that thundercloud. I'm gonna go mow her lawn.
Good decision, son. I love you.
Love you too, Mama.
Do you say you do things and then try to get out of them? Have you ever made a promise that you really didn't want to keep? You don't have to make promises, but if you do make them, you should always keep them. Then you will not only please people, but you'll please God too. Hope you guys enjoyed this little skit. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when we post a new video. Bye guys, remember, God loves you very much. Bye-bye.